how to partition your computer hard disk. So guys, I'll show you how to create different volumes in your PC. That is to be able to transfer your documents or your movies into a given volume, not affecting how your computer processes, because if you put everything in your local C, it will affect the speed of your computer. So let me show you how to partition your hard disk. So let's open File Explorer. So when you open File Explorer, I just want to show you something. So for me, you can see that I do have local C here, which has 242 GB, and I have another volume here which is 222 GB. So this one I can put all my things here, but all the programs which are running on this. So we find that my movies are here, but the programs which are running are here, so I don't have to use the space which is supposed to be used by the running program. So I want to show you guys how to partition your hard disk. So first of thing is come to this PC, then you right click, then you go to manage. This one will open a dialog for whereby you can manage your hard disk and choose the partition or whatever you want to do with your computer. But for now, we want to do the partition. So you come to disk management. So it will show you what you have in your disk as the partitions which you have already done. So if you can see, we have this volume V, the one I've showed you, and the C and the local C. So this one you can partition, and you can partition this. Okay, so I need to choose which I want to partition. So let's partition local C, for example. Okay, so you right click, then you go to shrink volume. Okay, now it has to calculate, the software itself has to calculate the amount of space it has and what is available for you to shrink. Okay, and then it calculates after shrinking how much it will be able to avail for you as a new volume. Okay, so that you can put your things. So this is what the software is trying to do. This also depends with your computer and the speed of your computer also. So it has to calculate. So when it finishes, it will open the dialog whereby now I'll key in how much space I need. So you need also to know MBs are there in 1 giga or 1 GB, sorry. MBs are there in 1 GB. So for example, this is what the amount of space is available, but I don't need all that big because it's just for demonstration. So let's do like let's take 50,000. Okay, let's do 50,000. Okay, so 50,000, that's what I need. So just type it here, 50,000 MP of whatever available was there. So then just say shrink. Then the software the computer just do it for yourself. It does do it for you, and it will just shrink the local C and create another volume for you, which is here now. You see, it is called unallocated. So now I have to allocate it now, so that it is now I can be able to do whatever I want to do. So right click on it, then click new simple volume. Okay, now we are just trying to put it in the system now. So go to next. Then because it has already calculated this, you go to next. Then you can assign the volume, the following drive letter. So here you can choose whatever letter you want. All these are available. If it has already been used, like C is already used, so you can't find C here. I've already used V. You cannot find V here, so you can choose any letter you need. Either you can decide to remain with the D, whichever it has taken, or you can choose whatever you like. It may be L, for example. So then you click next. Then it will ask you, do you want to format this? So just don't change anything, just click next and then finish. So it will run the process itself. Then when it finishes, it will create, it will be located, it will be allocated, and it will be blue as the others. And as you can see now we have, and now you get a notification. Okay, so you can choose whatever you want to do. So let's close, and I can show you where for real it is there. So you see it is here. Here we have our new volume now. So I've done a partition for this local C and created this. So let's say, for example, you don't need it anymore. Okay, you can decide to just delete it and it will go back to local C. That's how it happens. So thank you guys.